retiling or we're tiling a kitchen. It's never been tiled before, so it's quite easy. Small, slimline metro tiles. It's going to look nice just round the kitchen worktop. Quite easy job. What do you think, Harvey? Easy job? Yeah? Harvey's going to tile it all. He's done little bits of tiling already, so it should be an easy job for him. I'll show him how to do it. Okay, so this is what we're doing today. Harvey's just priming the walls now. We're 3 tiles high, and we're using these tiles in brick pattern. Just mark it up and prepping up. We've checked all the tiles. We're going to start in the middle there like that, and then we're going to do brick pattern, so the next one's going to be a half one like that, yeah. So we've checked everywhere now that we've not got a small cut. We don't want any tiny little cuts going into the corners there, so we've checked the layout and it's all okay. Just going underneath the sockets there, but the sockets aren't all level, so not much we can do about that. And we've done the same here. We're starting from the centre of the tap and working out both ways there. We've checked the cuts, both ends are okay. All the walls are primed. Just making a mix up. Going on nice now. There you go, we got that side's done. We've just bent the beadings round. Harvey's doing this side now. Right, you do you finished putting on the adhesive on there. Yeah, and I'll start doing the last bits of cuts there.
I can never be anything without you, love. I really hate to see how quick it seems you're breaking down, but I'm fine, yeah. Boy, I didn't need all of these stray bags to carry. Just couldn't believe a lifelong lost ordinary. What I could achieve, could have climbed much higher all this whole time. Oh, oh. Feel it on my own, heal it on my own, chill it on my own.
Right, we've finished that tiling job now. Was it easy, Harvey? Wasn't as easy as before because the tiles were tiny that the lady got, but it turned out really nice. Happy with the finish. Looks spot on. Sockets were a bit in rubbish places, but not much we can do about that, is there, Harvey? What do they need to do now? What do people need to do?
Need to pay more on the tiles.
No. People need to like, subscribe, share and drop a comment and come back for the next one. Thank you.